Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and thank you for being here for this video. So in my previous tutorial, I had shown you some things that I normally put in the drop down of the ID status, but I want to show you a couple things that I'd like you to add to that. The two things I want you to add is new lead and the word delete. So typically these are the things I like to have in my drop down, just these things. If you feel the need to have much more than this, I urge you not to. And if you really feel the need that you have to break this down, I'm going to show you how to create a second field that I typically call the secondary ID status. So, for example, if you want to know who they are, what industry, like an accountant, an engineer, are they a lawyer? What do they do? If you want that information, let's create a second field in which to hold that. But initially, keep this simple. I can't stress that enough. So again, the two things I want to add to that dropdown that weren't in the first video is new lead and the word delete. And the reason I have those in there is because anything that I'm working on, whether it be a client or a prospect, that I'm actively pursuing some business or they need something, I change the ID status to new lead. I put in the word delete if there's a contact in here that I've decided I want to delete. And the reason I do that is because in Act, it's possible to delete more than you meant to delete. In other words, if you have a lookup and you delete a contact, the option is there that you could delete more than just one contact. So instead of allowing your employees or even yourself to delete something right then and there and making a mistake, put the word delete in the ID status, and maybe once a month, come in, do a lookup of all those people that have the word delete in it. And then at that point, you can delete all those corresponding contacts. Having said that, long before you do that and take that step, or just shortly before, I should say, you want to make a backup of your Act database. That way, if you ever make a mistake, if you delete more than you meant to for whatever reason, you have a backup. So I'm always going to err on the side of safety. Ladies and gentlemen, Tony Holowitz, thank you so very much. Have a great day.